Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the Sketchpad 5.1. Let's get started. To open a new page, click the plus sign on the left side. Under custom size, you have different options of different sizes. For today, we're going to use the letter size, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. For today, we're going to use the blank and then click create. So you should have this. Let's go over the tools. Click on the upper left side. You can see the arrow selection tool, your crop tool, your zoom tool, here where you can zoom in, zoom out, zoom to fit. Now you have your tool options, star, text, and clipart. In clipart, you can upload any image. You have your vector fill. Let's work on the path. This is very similar to Photoshop. You have your fill and your outline. So for fill, I'm going to do let's do a soft purple. In the outline, let's do black, as you can see. And you have different options too, as a solid color, a gradient, linear, gradient radial, and a pattern. So for today, we're using the color black. Okay. So on the paper, on the page, you're going to click and then make another selection, make another selection, and as Photoshop, you have this